My kicker tonight is about one telling incident in the corridors of the Kenyan Law Courts here in Nairobi yesterday. For thousands of Kenyans with long-running cases in court, and that is wherever you are around the country, this incident may very well resonate. Take a look.
Kesi yetu iliisha miaka mbili na kila wakati mtu anakuja hapa tunakuta faida yetu imefichwa. Tunaenda huko tunaambia tusitangaze nani ameficha faida yetu. Tunaenda wanasema hakuna, tunaenda mpaka kwa deputy registrar na tutafaidika na tuliambia watu watakufa na wamekufa wote.
Now, an old adage says, justice delayed is justice denied. The case of Jen Duta is as illustrative as it is unfortunate. But first, a note of commendation to Magistrate Martha Nzushi for showing empathy and genuine concern for Jen Duta's depressing situation, and led her to the registry where the missing file of her case miraculously resurfaced. Kenyan law courts are flooded not just by cases of varying nature, but by tears and lamentations of thousands who painfully, even patiently, wait for the slow wheels of justice to grind. Land cases are particularly notorious. Some not only go on endlessly, but move round in circles. A missing file here, an adjournment there, or a sick or missing lawyer over there. This is the experience of many Kenyans in court, many who suffer in silence, some imploding quietly, others sliding into depression, and others subsequently dying. Jen Duta is just lucky because she's cramped. She's lucky because Magistrate Martha Nzushi's humane response could finally direct her to the light at the end of the very long tunnel. Some lessons for the judiciary emerge from this unusual encounter between a plaintiff and a magistrate. First, our humanity must prevail. The people that seek remedy in court are real human beings. Some are at the tether end of hope, looking up to the court as their last resort. They're not just plaintiffs, but real human beings trapped in the heart-rending kind of human misery perpetrated by fellow human beings, the kind that made a magistrate throw her arms around Jen Duta. Court cases are about more than just piles of paperwork, files, and other jurisdictional raw materials. They're about genuine cries of those begging someone to listen and act. How many other wailing voices are out there of victims that wait for years on end for the day justice will reach them, if at all? Many cases drag on for years because of the so-called technicalities and other courtroom games perpetrated mainly by unscrupulous, pitiless, and profit-driven lawyers. And of course, I'm assuming here that the magistrates or judges are themselves above board, because only the devil knows who between a corrupt lawyer and a compromised judge can delay a case longer. But for the sake of those waiting endlessly for justice in those courts, may the law and our inherent humanity prevail. That is why the courts were given the pride of place by the framers of our laws, and that is why judicial officers exist in the first place. That is my kicker tonight.